This is a 2016 KW T680. It's a very smooth truck, very powerful. It has a combination of everything that an owner-operator or a driver wants to drive. But this one is different. By different, I mean that this one is the fully loaded T680. But this one is the one that comes with the majority of equipment you can buy when it is brand new. This one has the owner-operator package. That's the reason why this one is fully loaded. And the owner-operator package comes with a lot of stuff standard. I want to start by mentioning that this one has the doors over here, both of the doors, the sleeper door and the luggage door over here. There it has the same doors on both sides, driver and passenger sides. This door you have to open it from the interior of the cabin, and this one you can open it from the exterior, the same way as you open the other one. Pretty useful. Under the hood of this KW T680 we have the powerful Cummins ISX engine. And we have a 500 horsepower engine with 1,850 pound-feet of torque. This is a really strong engine, especially on this KW, and that's the reason why you pay extra for the owner-operator package than this truck has, because it has a powerful engine and a 13-speed transmission. Because if you are driving a KW, you have to have a 13-speed transmission, because that is what a KW should have if you're going all over the States. In the back we have 308 differentials with interlock over here, conventional suspension for a KW, and with fifth wheel slide and suspension dump. We have it right there. Other than that, the powertrain and the chassis is very common to any other KW. Everything is pretty similar. It has the nice wheels, conventional suspension on the front. Make sure that if you're buying one of these, this is just something to mention before continuing these videos. Make sure if you're buying one of these, make sure to buy the one that doesn't have air suspension in the front. It's a headache. That suspension, it is not very good. Just make sure to buy the one that has the regular suspension. It has less problems and it rides better. Now, after going all over the powertrain and the exterior of this KW, the more amazing stuff is in the interior of this KW T680 with the owner-operator package. We have the good trim interior that looks pretty nice over the dashboard and the doors. We have full leather seats, really soft stitched KW brand logo stitched too. Nice seats, but amazingly, when you sit over these seats, they adjust themselves automatically. They go up and down with just no, you don't have to adjust them at all. You just sit over the seat and it will just go up. If I go out, see, it will just go down itself. You don't have to do anything. This is a pretty amazing system that this KW has, because it will just adjust to a preset level that you already had before. If I sit now, I'm just gonna go up and it's already preset. Now we are in the interior of this KW. This is the way it looks like with the owner-operator package. What you get with the owner-operator package is a full set of gauges. You can see this is amazing because you have all the information that you need when you are driving over the road all over the 48 states and you want to know how your truck is doing. Temperature, oil pressure, voltage, engine speed, vehicle speed, brake pressure when you apply the brake, air tanks, DEF, fuel, amps, differentials, temperatures, rear and front, suspension load, trailer application, the same thing you use when you use the trailer brake, which is this one over here, or you use the brake pedal, but this one is just for the trailer. And you have the fuel restriction gauge. This is very important because it lets you know if the fuel filter it is working well. most KWs have that. I wish more manufacturers use this, because in many cases this is the problem of low power, but you don't know. With this gauge, you can tell if this is the problem. Also, the owner-operator package comes with a full set of switches, found spare switches for any reason then you wanna use a spare switch, jailbreak, regen, this is normal in all of them, suspension drop, interlock axle, fifth wheel slide, road lights, dome lights, and we have the rear utility lights and the other lights for the footwell and illuminations, controls on the steering wheel and the navigation system. When you start the engine, this is what happens. You see all illumination in the gauge. This over here is because something happened to this dashboard, so the dashboard has to be replaced, but it's supposed to be here, so don't think that this is the way a Kenworth T680 looks. So when you start the engine, this happens. You can see everything cool, no problems at all, no warning lights, and we have 657,000 miles on this truck with the original engine with the Cummins ISX, working strong, no warning lights at all, with no problems, and a really nice fuel economy. Also, you have navigation over here on your screen and some other stuff like phone, audio, setup for any other settings that you wanna change on the screen. And we have truck over here. The cool thing about truck is that you have diagnostic. In case you have the check engine light on, you can go to diagnostic over here and get information about the code that you're getting. This helps a lot, especially when you are stuck in the middle of somewhere trying to know what is the problem of your truck. We have gauges over here. These are more gauges. You can see we have all temperature, we have DF, load, torque, boost pressure, average fuel economy, and we have transmission temperature. So with these gauges, and these gauges, you have the full set of gauges. You can see, that's right, this truck is more expensive than the regular T680 because it's fully loaded for owner-operator use. It's directly built to have owner-operators informed and comfort inside the cab. You have a storage on top. CB radio was a standard on this model. It came with the CB radio already. We have more storage here, another storage here, and another storage here. Completely full of storage if you wanna store something on the cab. On the back of the sleeper, this is the way it looks like. We have a lot of room, a lot of leather all over because we have the top of the line owner-operator package Kenworth T680. And also this KW came from the factory with an integrated inverter, a power inverter for the microwave and the television. I'm not sure if the television came already and the microwave came already. I'm not sure about that, but it has the base where to put it. This one is built in already, is already fixed on place, so it can keep the microwave on place, and it has the strap to hold the microwave on place, and it has the television mounting bracket on the back to hold the television. We have cabinets here, very rugged cabinets, and also we have a fridge. It was already equipped with the fridge, very nice, because you need it as an owner operator when you are over some area then there is not a single restaurant. You can keep storage here with your meals or anything. In this area we have the controls for the AC and the heater of the back. We have the knob over here, the fan here, and over here we have the inverter control. This is where we turn it on or turn it off. That's right, this one is completely standard. You don't have to put an aftermarket on it. It's already built in. You turn it off from here or you turn it off from here. The inverter is located right here under the bed. Like that, this truck has a glove box. Very important to keep stuff on your glove box, papers, registrations, or anything. It's very important. I don't like the truck that don't come with a glove box, because you need to have a glove box. You don't have time sometimes to come and look over here. Sometimes you just put stuff over here, you open it, grab it, and that's it. So pretty much this is all I wanted to show you about this Kenworth T680. It is a pretty amazing truck, really equipped with all you need to go over the road. You don't have to add anything aftermarket. Everything is already on the truck or ready to install. If because I am not sure about the televisions and the microwaves, but you don't have to do much. Everything is completely set to do a trip immediately after you purchase this truck. Pretty amazing. The problem is it's pretty expensive. I know if you buy a brand new, nobody will be happy to spend $150,000 for this truck, especially if you are planning to make money with the truck. I mean, like, it's very hard because you want to make payments really high, around maybe $3,000 per month after a good down payment. But if you're planning to buy it used, you can buy it for around 74, 75, 64, depending the year, depending the mileage of the specific Kenworth T680, and it will be completely cheaper than to buy a brand new. But if you are planning to buy a KW, please look for one similar to this one, because this one is equipped with the owner operator's package, as I said before, the fully loaded one with all you need to make a trip right away. I did a review of the opposite brand, Peterbilt. That's the Peterbilt 579. It is pretty similar to this one, but still that one is not equipped as this one. This one is fully equipped with all you need. Even if they are KWs, that one doesn't have the package that this one has. It has the KW present, and it has the KW power and equipment. I mentioned before finishing this video, I'm gonna mention models to avoid. Avoid the models with the front air suspension, as I mentioned. Avoid the model with the SCR and DPS in between the chassis. They're gonna be right here in this area below the cab. Avoid those models. They're really expensive to maintain and really expensive to work. Instead, just get the model that has the DPS and SCR under the passenger seat, as this one does. It will save you a lot of money. And avoid models that have Packard engines if you want to be happy with your truck. If you're already familiar with Packard engines, that's fine. But if you don't know anything about Packard engines, the MX-13, I believe that's the Packard engine, avoid it, because it will cost you a lot of money on the long run. So that will be all my recommendations to you. What you wanna do, it will be up to you. So if you have any questions about this video, you can use the comment section below to leave comments, recommendations, suggestions, opinions, anything to add to this video. You can use that comment section, so you can share opinions about this specific truck. What do you think? If you have any experience about this specific truck, you can leave a comment on the comment section. If you want to send any kind of support to my channel, you can check the video description below, where I have details how to send support to my channel, where so I can do more videos like this one to help everybody. In this case, I'm doing reviews to help people when they're buying trucks to buy the specific truck they actually want to buy, not the one that is just on the dealer when they just got. So like, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching.